times for the crew in the city though. Legend has it that creator made an animal. You need know I'm an animal. One time for the home down the res road. Two times for the crew in the city though. Legend has it that creator made an animal.
Step 1, you are going to get 2 arm lengths of thread. After you have 2 arm lengths of thread, you are going to double thread your needle. After you have double threaded your needle, you are going to tie both ends like so. After you knot your thread, you're going to cut as close as possible to the knot. To thread your earring, you're going to go through the earring hole and continue pulling the thread until you get close to the end. Once you have gotten close to the end, you're going to put your needle through the thread. Once it looks like a fish hook, it is done. You should grab 3 bigger beads. Now we're moving on to the little beads. You can choose whatever color scheme you like. Creating the loop, you're going to go up the 3 bigger beads. After you have gone up the 3 bigger beads, you're going to go through the hook hole. Once you have gotten through the hook hole, you should now see a loop formation. I'm going to do 3 loops today, but whether you want 2, 3, 4, 5, you can just continue that process over the same way. And to continue your second loop, you're going to go back down the 3 bigger beads. Once you are done all of your loops, you're going to cut off the excess thread. After cutting off the excess thread, you're going to burn it so that it doesn't fall off and it stays in place. And now you should have 2 finished earrings. Thank you for learning with me. Check out Create to Learn to see more videos.